In this video, we will show you how to create a mesh from an Excel file. First, start the point cloud converter and select the Excel file you want to import. Now, let us check the structure of the file. As we can see, the X, Y, and Z coordinates are stored in the first, second, and third column. After confirming the settings, we can import the point cloud by clicking the Create Point Cloud button. Now we need to start the Triangulate command and select the imported terrain points. The mesh is automatically created.